Hello and welcome to the Celebrity Elite Tablet Controller tutorial. Today, I'm going to walk you through the ins and outs of the Celebrity Elite tablet to better understand how to use it to get the most out of your massage chair. This video is going to be split into 4 different parts: controller layout and functions, personalizing an auto program, building and saving a program, and pairing Bluetooth devices.
Let's begin by turning on the tablet controller by pressing and holding the power button located on the top edge of the tablet. This will boot up the tablet controller. Once fully booted, a yellow warning screen will appear. Please read it thoroughly, and when you finish, tap the red "Tap Here to Confirm" button to continue.
To the left of the home screen is Auto. When tapping Auto, this brings up 24 auto programs that you can use with a tap of a button. You can also easily access these programs at any time by tapping the Auto icon located in the Quick Access bar at the top of the screen. The auto programs are displayed across 2 screens worth of programs to help you find the best suited massage to your needs. To navigate through the list, simply use the arrows on the side of the screen to move between the 2 available screens. We recommend trying each program out and seeing what feels best for you. To return to the home screen, tap the Home icon in the Quick Access bar in the upper left corner of the screen. This Home icon will always return you to the home screen on any screen that it is found. To the right of Auto is Manual. Once selected, this will bring you to another display where the full manual mode settings are located. Each of these settings allows you to customize your massage to your liking. We will return to this screen later in part 3 of this video. Manual mode screen can also be accessed using the Manual Mode button located in the Quick Access bar at the top of the screen. Next is Air Setting. In Air Settings, here you can personalize your compression massage by turning on the airbag compression region you desire. There are several different options available, including full, shoulder, back, arm, or leg. Selecting full will override any other selections and all airbags will become active. Once you have chosen an air zone, next you can adjust the air intensity of the air massage. Here you will see 5 different options ranging from 0 to 5. 0 turns the air off. Use the slider to change the setting. Note, all auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. The higher the number, the more force the airbags will apply. If you decide you want the airbags off, simply deselect the air setting option you've selected previously. Going back to the home screen, let's go over the position adjustment settings. In Adjustment, you can change the chair angles and zero gravity recline while the chair is running. The backrest and footrest adjustments will assist you to fine-tune the fit of specific parts of your chair. Tap and hold the screen buttons to adjust any of these settings. When holding down the backrest adjustment buttons, this will allow you to recline or bring the chair to an upright position. You can adjust the footrest just the same. This allows the chair's footrest to raise or lower. Next is the foot in and foot out adjustment buttons. When holding down the foot adjustment buttons, this allows you to extend or retract the footrest. The last setting within the adjustment screen is the zero gravity positions. Zero gravity elevates your feet up over your heart to improve overall circulation and reduces gravitational force on your spine for a sense of weightlessness. Zero gravity 1 will put the chair into a standard recline. Zero gravity 2 will put the chair into a deeper recline, and zero gravity 3 will recline the chair into complete weightless zero gravity recline. Returning to the home screen, let's tap on My Memory. In My Memory, you can access a custom massage program created and saved using the manual controls in the manual settings display, or after personalizing an auto program. We will go over creating and customizing a program in step 3 of this video. You can store up to 6 different My Memory programs and access them whenever you want. To save a program, simply tap the star icon on the In Use screen, and to run a program, tap Run on the desired program slot. Once all 6 slots are used, you must delete an existing program to save a new My Memory program. To delete a program, tap the X icon in the corner of the program slot you want to clear. Back in the home screen, let's go to Setting. Here, you should see 11 different options, including beep volume, brightness, sleep mode, Bluetooth, voice demo, language,
LED light, ionizer, voice listening, and voice list. Let's walk through each one option. First is beep volume. This option adjusts the noise feedback level when making selections on the tablet. Choose from off all the way to 5 for loud. Next is volume. This setting controls the startup sound volume and voice demo program volume. It can also be controlled using the volume up and down switch located on the top right side of the tablet next to the power switch. Brightness lets you adjust the screen's brightness. Slide left for a dimmer display or right for a brighter one, with 1 the lowest and 5 the highest brightness. Next is sleep mode. When sleep mode is on, the chair will remain in its reclined position after a program ends. When sleep mode is off, the chair will automatically return to the upright position at the end of a program. Tap on or off to set your preference.
Next is Bluetooth. Tap the on button to activate Bluetooth pairing and connect your device. Once paired, you can play music, podcasts, or other audio through the chair's speakers. Tap off to turn Bluetooth off. We will go over pairing your Bluetooth device to the massage chair in step 4 of this video. Note, Bluetooth must be turned on for pairing and playing to work successfully. Next is voice demo. When voice demo is turned on, a spoken narration will play through the chair's speakers while the demo massage program is running. The narration explains or demonstrates the chair's features. If voice demo is off, the demo program runs without narration. Note, voice demo will only work when Bluetooth is off and the voice demo setting is on. You can control the loudness of the voice demo using the volume slider above. In language, here you have 2 languages to choose from, English or Chinese. Tap the button for your desired language. Next is LED light. This controls the ambient light on the sides of the massage chair. Turn this on to illuminate the lights and off to keep them dark. Ionizer emits charged ions to help you breathe cleaner air. Tap to turn this feature on or off. Next is voice listening. Tap on to activate the intelligent voice command and control feature of this chair. Tap off to disable intelligent command and control. The last option is voice list. Tap the button to view the voice commands list so that you can operate the intelligent voice command and control simply by using your voice. Let's also go over the remaining buttons in the quick access bar. First, on the right side is the controls button. This button illuminates when an auto or manual program is actively running. Tap the controls button to get to the in-use screen for the running program to access available setting options. Next to the controls button is the Bluetooth button. Tap this to turn Bluetooth on or off. Next is the adjustment button. Tap this to be taken to the adjustment screen. On the bottom of the screen are the power and pause buttons. These buttons are found on every screen. To stop or pause a massage, simply tap the pause button. To continue, tap the play button to resume the massage. If you tap the power button, this will stop the massage and reset the chair entirely. Now let's personalize and take control of some features within an auto program. Return to the home screen and select Auto. For this example, we're going to pick Relax. Once you have selected Relax, the chair will do a TrueFit body scan. After a massage program is selected, you'll be taken to the body scanning screen to ensure an accurate massage that fits your body. Once a beeping countdown starts, here you can use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the back mechanisms up or down to match your specific shoulder height. After the timer has elapsed, your massage will start. Note, during the body scan, if you decide you want to stop and turn the massage chair off, simply hit the power button on the display screen. This will reset the chair back to its beginning state. After adjusting your shoulder height, you will be taken to the in-use screen, where you can observe all the current settings and session information. The figure in the center of the screen shows a visual representation of the massage program that is currently running. The moving green dot indicates the current position of the massage mechanism along the massage track, and the blue highlights on the figure's body show which airbags are actively compressing. The timer in the middle indicates the time remaining in your massage. Use the plus and minus buttons on either side of the time to add or subtract the amount of time in your massage in 5-minute increments. 30 minutes is the maximum setting. The massage chair will turn off automatically and reset after the timer is up. You can find the name of the massage program that is currently running directly above the massage time. To the left of the figure, you will see the 4D back strength setting. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the 4D back mechanism. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying 4D intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations, 1 being the lightest and 6 being firm. Tap the number to make your selection. Below 4D intensity control is the speed setting. You can monitor the back mechanism speed by watching this dial while in an auto program, 1 being slow and 6 being fast. To the right of the figure is the air intensity. Use this control to increase or decrease the maximum intensity of the airbag massage. All auto massages are pre-programmed to have varying levels of airbag intensity. This setting will set the upper limit of these fluctuations. Select 1 for lightest and 6 for firmest massage. Below air intensity is the air zone adjustment. Use this control to turn on or off a particular airbag region, selecting from full body, shoulders, back, arms, or legs. To turn a particular airbag region off, deselect the activated region. Inversely, selecting full body will override any selections and all airbags will become active. Below the figure is calf rollers adjustment. Use this to control the rotating rollers that massage the calves. Choose your desired roller speed, 1 being slow and 2 and 3 being fast, or deselect to deactivate the calf rollers. Next to the calf rollers is the foot rollers adjustment. Use this to control the dual reflexology rollers and choose your desired foot roller speed, 1 being slow and 2 and 3 being fast, or deselect to deactivate the foot rollers. On the right edge of the screen is the foot heat control. Use this option to set the foot heat level, with 1 being low and 3 being hot. Deselect to turn the foot heat off. Below foot heat is the back heat control, with similar levels. Select 1 for low heat and 3 for hot. Deselect to turn the back heat off.
Now let's explore the manual settings. Tap the manual icon from the quick access bar. Here we get to create your own massage sequence by layering selections to build your own personal program. Note, your first selection on this screen will start your massage. Let's begin building your program.
At the top left, we have 5 different massage techniques that this chair offers. There is kneading, tapping, shiatsu, clapping, knocking, and rolling. Try each one of them and see which one you enjoy the most. For this example, we are going to choose tapping. Now, with the type of massage selected, let's make a massage area selection. Choose an area you would like the mechanism to focus on. There is whole, which travels the entire length of the track. That's from shoulders to glutes. Partial, which travels a short distance and reverses direction for focused relief. And point, which stops on the track for targeted relief.
Let's choose partial. Once chosen, use the plus and minus buttons to adjust the rollers along the L track to home in on that focused relief.
You can also fine-tune your adjustment in the in-use screen using the plus and minus buttons found there. Now let's choose a 4D back strength. Select 2. And in the speed setting, let's choose 1 for a slow massage mode pace. This combined with a 4D strength of 2 will give us a slow, light tissue massage. To change the width of the rollers, you have 3 different options to choose from: narrow, medium, and wide. Let's select medium width for a slightly narrower massage area. Note the width cannot be adjusted when in kneading and knocking modes. In the middle heat controls, let's select 1 for back heat and 3 for foot heat to really loosen those leg muscles. Let's also set the calf rollers to 2 and turn on the foot rollers. Choose 1 for a slow foot massage. On to the air settings. Tap the air settings button, then select back and leg. This will start the air compression massage in the calves, feet, and your lower back. Now let's choose an air intensity level of 3. This will really help with releasing that tension throughout the legs. Now that we have built our own custom massage, let's save it in our My Memory programs. Tap the star icon in the top bar, then confirm your selection. Congrats! You have now saved your very own massage, and you can utilize it at any time by returning to the My Memory programs list. Now let's pair your phone to the chair so you can play and enjoy your favorite songs, audiobooks, podcasts, and more through the chair's Bluetooth speakers. Make sure that Bluetooth is enabled on the Celebrity Elite tablet controller. Now make sure you have Bluetooth enabled on your Bluetooth device. If Bluetooth is already on, your device will automatically detect the Bluetooth-enabled massage chair around you. Select Celebrity Elite in the Available Devices section of your Bluetooth settings and ensure that the connection went through. Now you should be connected to the chair speakers and you are ready to enjoy your favorite music. Now that you understand the settings, layout, and functions of the controller tablet, you can now fully enjoy your Celebrity Elite massage chair and truly maximize your massages. Enjoy your chair and thank you for being a part of the Infinity family.